All right, what's up, guys? So today was a nice day, setup wise. The only problem is my setup. I missed it by 3 points. Okay, so I'll show you guys that. And we ended up taking another setup, which led to an L. And from there, since I was always aiming for 1, 2, 3, I was like, okay, I'll just take another setup since I missed mine, and that's 2 Ls. So we're still up on the week, not that much, but we're still up. Honestly, I shouldn't have taken the second trade or the first trade. Since I missed my trade, I shouldn't have took it, right? But regardless, we're still doing good. And so I'll show you guys my top step in a second. And tomorrow I'll risk, like always. So one contract on ES, it's about $300. And then if I lose tomorrow, now I'll de-risk everything. So I'll be risking 150. So, because right now, let me just show you guys some math. So we have 2000 drawdown, right? Tuesday, Monday no trade, Tuesday I won, so we're still at 2000. Then yesterday I lost, so that's 315. And then today I lost 315, 315, all right? So we have this much left, right? So if tomorrow I lose again, 315, we'll have this left. From there, divided by 150, I'll have around 4 consecutive days of losing until I blow the account, risking 150. So I'll risk 150 until I'm up a good amount so I can scale up and risk again 300, okay? If we lose tomorrow. Anyway, this is between me and myself. So yeah, this will lead me to have more, I can take more L's, right? Anyway, so this is the stats. Let's go performance. Right there. So we did good Tuesday. Yesterday we had the FOMC or something, so the setup was bad. From there I was taking mini ES, so like $50 trade for 150. So that's why there's like 4 trades. But still, my maximum loss that I'm allowed is 300, so we were perfect for that. And then today, minus 630. Great setup, great everything, just missed it by 2 points. And I'm so I'll explain on TradingView exactly what I'm gonna do now. So that's the stats. We're looking at 200 per account. It's all right. I just need tomorrow to have a good day. If I have a bad day, it is what it is. I'll just de-risk until I'm back up and no problem, right? So let's log out. So let's start. So like always, let me just mini ES. All right. And I was trading today and then I hear a notification, okay guys? Then I look at my phone, guess what? Take profit. I forgot to cancel my subscription, so it auto-renewed my test account. So now I have a take profit account. I went to the AI bot to see if I can refund it, right? Then they said, if you refund it, they only give you like $40. So I'm like, what's the point, right? So I just left it. There's no activation fee too, so I'll just trade it as is. And when it's passed, since I really don't care about what's it called, I'll just probably full port it or something. Just take profit, right? Just because I have it and I'm not supposed to have it. Yeah, so that's what I wanted to say. Since top step is the main thing right now. And if I request a refund, I barely get any money, so I'll just full port. When there's like a great setup, I'll just go and take profit on the side of top step and just take the trade. Anyway, so Asia, London, high and low, right? Then we had this gap right there, this gap right there on the 30-minute, adjusted, right? Go on the 5 minute. This is ES. So here, on the 5 minute, let me just do this. Do we need to draw any boxes? Not really. Perfect. So, first I'll tell you guys the L that I took. So I missed this setup right there. So from there, 10:05, I'm like, okay, we're just dropping. So from there, I took, since 10:05, we closed below this Asia low, sorry. I was like, okay, at the pullback, I'll just enter short and call it a day, right? Nope, got humbled. From there, I was like, no way, I missed my trade, and then I lost the trade too. Come on. So I was like, okay, 10:10, we broke out. I'll just wait for the pullback so I can enter, right? Because I was like, okay, we're not going down, we're going up. Guess what? I get stopped out by legit 3 points, and yeah. So lesson learned, if you take an L, just stop there. If you miss your setup, just call it a day, right? There's always other days. At least I have a good risk to reward, so I'm not I don't know the word, you guys get it. So we look for trade after 9:35. 9:30, I always count it as a ghost candle, okay? Since it's market open. So whatever, even if it's rejected here, I don't care. Doesn't matter. So from there, 9:30, 9:35, we close like this, so nothing, right? 9:40, we reject like that. So from there, if we had a pullback, I'll take this trade. Now, I didn't take any trade, I was waiting. Then 9:55, we rejected again from London low. From there, I was like, okay, at the pullback, I'll be in. So as soon as it touched this line, I'm in. Now, I was so focused on it touching the line that I missed the entire trade today and lost for 2 points. Just because I wanted it to touch the line so I can enter in a short, right? And it would have played out. I even have a screenshot in my journal of, of me wanted to take this trade. But anyway. So because of 2 points, I didn't take the trade and I ended up losing today. So that sucks, but it is what it is. So next time, what I'll do is, honestly, because this is not the first time that this happens, my stop loss is wide enough. I know it's going down, right? And honestly, 9:40, at 9:50, I should have just entered the trade, right? Since we already rejected here, but I didn't. But yeah, honestly, next time, when it's close enough and that I see my stop loss is wide enough, I'll just take it. So yeah, or legit, I'll just count. I'll take my ruler, go down 1, 2, 3 points and just take it as soon as it taps in here, because I know I'll be good. And yeah, you know, so that's the trade, full transparency. It sucks that I missed it, but honestly, this shouldn't have mattered because I should have took it at 9:50 right there. So that's that. And after that, this ended up not being useful, so we don't care. And yeah, this is where I took the L. And honestly, it would have played out afterward, but I got stopped out by like 2 points. And yeah, on ES. So lesson learned, if you miss the trade, wait for a entire pullback to your setup or no trade, right? And if I take an L, don't force another. I actually forced the trade, the second one, so that's bad. Regardless, hopefully tomorrow we have a win, so I don't have to de-risk to 150. I don't mind de-risking, it'll be good, right? But I don't want to. So yeah, that was the recap for today. Hopefully tomorrow we win. If we win, we'll make a recap. If I lose, it's gonna be probably a minus 300 loss, so probably no recap. Because when I lose, I don't make recap because obviously the setup didn't play out, so there's nothing to explain. But when I do a mistake like that, I'll do a recap, no problem. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Thank you.